This is cold Wonderland.
This is cold /
rainy Wonderland, even though it stopped.
In the Wayland Town
Center in Wayland, Mass. And it stopped raining, or it's slightly raining.
This time we're doing it outside. Finally.
Yes, it's a mess.
Yeah.
And I'm going to upload this on tomorrow. Maybe.
Why? Why tomorrow?
Because I have Legacy Place, and I don't want it to get in the way of Legacy Place.
Oh.
Because Legacy Place has a very good legacy that doesn't want to go bye-bye. Even though when you installed those Schindlers, the legacy... Yeah. Alright, here's Alyssa and Andrew Avenue.
Oh, we forgot to do the
Yo. Here's Alyssa and Andrew Avenue.
Stand me up close.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in the way of Griffin's frame.
Okay.
Okay.
Back. This is weird.
Now you don't need to see my back. My back is nothing special. There's that. And this episode's not going to be long. Anyway, there's condos and condos in a big building. Med post urgent care. Schindler 330A in there. Stop and Shop. Boston Sports Club. Ace is the place with the help for hardware people / Wayland Home Design. Alright. Anyway, that was Warm Wonderland. Hope you enjoyed it.